Well, it's been a while since I've put up a YouTube video. I'm using my cheap motherfucking $20 Alcatel One Touch Pixie Glitz camera. Right now you're looking at my new purchase. It is a Proctor Silex microwave, and I bought it at Kmart for $50 plus tax, and then I used a gift card, got $10 off. Next to that is my Hamilton Beach. They probably own all of them. And then there's the can opener and some tea bags. God, I got enough fucking tea in the house. And then there's the coffee pot and Amazon coffee grinder. I should go buy some coffee beans and grind them so I can say that I can use that silly thing. I haven't used it in a while. I should get some some whole bean coffee. Got all these appliances. I bought that, I don't know, on Amazon, and yeah, building up the kitchen supplies a little by little. I like that rack mount. That's the way I've got that. That rack mount microwave oven with the toaster oven on top of it. Looks like a pretty neat setup. And so now I'm going into the dining room. Let me add a little more light. There's my other computer arrangement. I have, a couple of computers. I got the USB light. I'll probably replace that eventually and get well, we'll see. It's kind of dim, but I kind of like it. And then there's my find of the last couple of months. That's, unfortunately, I don't know if the turntable works or not, but it's a Crosley, one of those Crosleys. I found it at the thrift store for like $12. What's wrong with it? Stupid. Yeah, I gotta hit the button a couple times. It's probably wearing out. There's a reason why people donate stuff to thrift stores is because it doesn't work right. Those Crosleys look cute. I'm glad I bought it on Monday at Unique Thrift Store. I wouldn't have given you $25 for that piece of shit, but there's a reason. Crosley's Crosley is kind of it's designed, my personal opinion is it's designed to look cool, but they're really kind of shit. Like you're supposed to go out and spend money on those blank CDs. You can't buy verbatims. You have to buy a certain one that will work in there. Like you have to buy certain CDs that'll work in those things, because computer CDs won't work. So you have to buy, I don't know, maybe Tile Uden or JBL makes, or one of those like TDK, but it has to be specific to music. Music CDs the thing won't, I mean, physically, it won't even record, because it's a different kind of a burn format. But you know what? For $12, I'm glad I got it, even though I don't think the record player part worked. I mean, I did try it, but it's good to have a cheap radio in the house, I guess. And for parties and things. But here's the box for the microwave. As you can see, if you can even see through the blurry camera, am I using the old, here, let me fold, put that. But yeah, this is the microwave oven box that it came in. Yep. Tested, proven, it says. Yep, Proctor Silex. And so, yeah, I used to, I was sitting there complaining, I got this $10 gift card from Kmart over maybe a week and a half ago. I went down there and purchased something. I went over to La Villa to make an arrangement, and I didn't want to leave empty-handed, so I walked down Addison Street and went to that Kmart. And then I bought I forget what but then, I thought, what am I going to do with a $10 gift card? Am I going to buy some shit that I don't, like, I don't know, the usual stuff people might want to just spend that money on? Or should I buy myself another Christmas present? And I thought, let me buy myself another Christmas present. So I did. Yep. And so that's what I did. And there you have it. And that microwave works pretty well, Didn't get the one with the app on it, the one, where you pay. Didn't think I needed the $600 model. Don't have any interest in the $600 model. And so that's that. And other than that, can't really complain about too much. So, yeah. Oops, oop, 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 oop. I like this card. Yeah, I don't think anybody can get instant happiness. But maybe somebody thinks they can. So, hey. It's a good microwave. I'm happy with it. All right.